guys, a very warm welcome. It's Choma here back with another video, and for today I wanted to share with you guys how I deep condition on a wash day. You guys would have already checked out my full wash day routine. If you haven't, the link is above, but I really wanted to be able to do a video just to talk a little bit more about deep conditioning, the importance of deep conditioning, and also be able to do a quick demo on a new deep conditioner that I'm using. And so if you want to be able to find out more, then stick around. Alright guys, here we go. So you guys would have heard me bang on about deep conditioning and why it's so important, and you're probably wondering like, okay Choma, like what is the big deal? Like why do you keep going on about this? And for me, I started deep conditioning when I first discovered my bald spots, and I obviously implemented the deep conditioning into my wash day routine and part of my hair routine as normal. You guys know that video that I keep talking about, 5 power tips to grow natural hair. That has helped me. Like I mentioned deep conditioning as a must. So what makes deep conditioning different from your normal conditioner? Well, with your normal conditioner, as standard, you only apply the conditioner and it'll have a set number of ingredients in there that will be okay for your hair. You're only required to put it in for about 5 minutes or so, and then you wash it out and then you go about your business. The difference with deep conditioner and why it's so powerful is that it helps penetrate your hair strands. It helps keep your hair stronger, healthier, so it's easier and more manageable when you get to the styling process. And with that is finding a good deep conditioner and also being able to use heat to be able to ensure that your cuticles are opening up quite well, to then be able to absorb the deep conditioner so the nutrients can go back into your hair. So full details of deep conditioning and how it can help your hair will be in the description box below, so look out for that. So in this video I did also want to be able to try a new product out, which I'm excited to do so. TSAKA Beauty reached out to me and they wanted me to try their deep conditioning hair mask, so I thought I would give it a go. This is what the packaging looks like. So it's a massive M for Melanin Queen. TSAKA Melanin Queen is a deep conditioning high performance hair mask full of natural goodness to rescue dry, weak, chemically damaged hair. It brings back that healthy volume. It revives damaged and easy shedding hair, and it's an SOS hair rescue mask. Definitely is an SOS kind of day because I haven't washed my hair for 2 weeks and it definitely needs some moisture back into it. I will have the full review for you guys and talk a little bit more about this in my next video, but I wanted to just do this video just to give you a demo of how I go about deep conditioning, and in this case what I'm going to be doing is using TSAKA Beauty. So as you guys know, I wash and deep condition in 4 sections. I've got my 4 puffs here, so it's split down the middle and then down to the sides as well. You guys know this routine, you're probably bored of it by now, but these are my puffs that I usually put my hair in. And as you guys would have seen in my wash day routine, I used a DIY deep conditioner. I just put one together. If you haven't checked that out, the link is above in terms of how I did my DIY, the ingredients that I used in my DIY and why I use those ingredients. It's always the why that's more important. So with the TSAKA Beauty, they say that you need to use an egg-sized scoop. I don't really know what an egg-sized scoop is, but we use dollops over here. And then I'll just mix that in. Now in terms of applying the deep conditioner, I start at the ends first and then I work my way inwards. So I split down the middle so that inside, ooh, sorry, so that the insides can get, so I can spread. Guys, this is literally like first impressions, first reactions to this. I'm not making this up. The consistency of it was light. So I was thinking, well, it's not gonna penetrate as much in my hair. I will need a lot more. And usually with deep conditioners, I need to apply a little bit more to feel it kind of in my hair. Like I like to drown my hair in the deep conditioner. But I didn't need to do that with this. I'll probably just add a little bit more because I like to overindulge in my conditioners. Oh my gosh. So at this stage, once I've applied my deep conditioner, I just work that into my hair. I pull it out and then I start to finger detangle. So I work that in sections. Into smaller sections and I finger detangle. Now you have to be careful, especially with nails. Just make sure that you haven't got any chipped nails where it's gonna nag on your hair. So I work my way through, just make sure that there aren't any obvious knots. And then I grab my tangle teaser, best thing ever. And from the ends, I start to brush that through. And the test of a deep conditioner is how easily the tangle teaser, well, this is how I test anyway, is how easily the tangle teaser comes through my hair, which for me, this is like, yo. Once I've brushed it through, I cut down the middle once again, and then I put it into a bantu knot, as even as possible as you can get it. But see how I'm able to run a parting through my hair without it being too tangled, or without it being tangled at all even. I just do a twist, twist it in there, bring it around into a bantu knot. Boom. And that is it. Okay, so side note guys, you usually want to be able to apply the deep conditioner whilst you're in the bathroom. That way, after you've actually shampooed and you've got the steam going from the lukewarm water that you would have used to shampoo, and that steam or that moisture is still around. So you ideally want to be able to deep condition in the bathroom. And obviously for the purpose of this video is why I'm in my bedroom at the moment. On a normal day, my usual wash days, I am in the bathroom. What I'm now gonna do is grab my shower cap. It's a shower cap from Soap and Glory that I got from Boots, I think. It's pretty cute. It says one for cover. You can use this, you can use like your standard disposable plastic shower caps, you can use a plastic bag, whatever suits you. It goes on. We've talked about this, the Aphrodite deep conditioning cap, which is Bay and Life, and what I've been using, and it makes me look like an alien. Yep, that sits on my head like that. This bit controls what level you want it on. It goes from 1, 2 to 3. I have it on the maximum, which is 3. I've set the timer for 15 minutes, so that's gonna buzz once 15 minutes is over, and that's how long I'll sit under the deep conditioning cap. Okay, this is me done under the conditioning cap. I've done my little admin bits, needed to do what I needed to do in the 15 minutes, and I'm ready to rinse. Well, I'm rinsing on cool water, so this helps to close your cuticles. So obviously when you're washing your hair, when you're shampooing with lukewarm water because that opens up your cuticles, your hair cuticles. What we're gonna do is lock in that moisture. That's what I will be doing, but I wanted to show you quickly what it feels like. Look at that. That's what you want to be able to see in terms of a good conditioner, is the volume in your hair. That means you know that your hair has absorbed the deep conditioner well when you see this kind of volume, which it has. My hair is loving this deep conditioner. And it goes into a hairband. This is before I've rinsed, guys. This is how the curls are looking before I've even rinsed. Okay guys, this is me. I'm going to rinse and I'll come back and show you guys how my hair's turned out after this deep condition. I'll be right back. I didn't put it back in the bands just so that you can see how well the deep conditioner has worked. And I think it's done a pretty good job. Look at how defined the curls are. And this is like, I haven't put anything in it. I came back to the room and my room was smelling absolutely lush. Like TSAKA Beauty Melanin Queen hair mask came through, absolutely lush. A full product review video will be coming up next, so look out for that. But it's already like we're good to go. And what I'm obviously trying to do this year is, especially for wash days, stick to the same shampoo and conditioner for 4 washes straight, so for the month. For the month of January, I started with the Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner. February, I'm going to use the Afrocentrics shampoo, Swish. And I'm going to stick with the TSAKA Beauty for February. March, I don't know yet. I'll see what I'll venture out and then we'll play as I go along. But basically, you get the point. I'm sticking to the same shampoo and conditioner for each month, so that'll be 4 washes. I'm trying to stick to the same brands for styling as well. So if I'm going to do a style, I want to use all of the products from the same brand for a particular style, as opposed to mixing and matching. But we'll see how that goes, because I don't have a lot of styling products in the same brand, if that makes sense. But yeah, that is a wrap for me on this one, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I hope it's been useful. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also comment below for any questions you have, or if you want a general chit chat. For anybody who's joining me for the very first time, or you're returning and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Show your love. As well as that, turn on the auto notification bell. That way you're notified every single time I post a video, and then you become part of the team. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!